You guys requested a video on the Palisade sunroof and the moonroof. Let's go ahead and check it out. To open the sunroof, we go ahead and just push back on it. And to close it, you'll do the same. If you want to let just a certain amount of air open, you can go ahead and just hold it until you get the desired opening open. To tilt up the sunroof, you can go ahead and just push up on the button there and it'll open. To close the tilt up, you just push forward on the button. Next up, we do have the moonroof. The moonroof only opens over the shade. It won't open like the sunroof will. To open the shade, just click open. You can stop it at any time, or you just hold it and it'll open the shade all the way. Same thing to close it, you just go ahead and click close and hold it down. While opening the moonroof, you can also leave it open for a certain amount open. You can have it open halfway or a quarter of the way. Just go ahead and stop it at any time. Hyundai equips all our sunroofs with wind deflectors. The wind deflector will go ahead and deflect wind as well as other dust or any other objects to get inside the car. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions about the video or any other features on the car, go ahead and shoot it down in the comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.